What's up? It's Triple Beatbox here, and today's tutorial is on inward bass. Alright, I stumbled upon this while trying to learn throat bass, but I just thought, hey, I can't do it outward, why not try doing it inward? And it took me like a week to get it down right. That's all I gotta say. Here's the tutorial. Alright, to get the sound, start off by screaming inward. Just like... Alright, that's how I got it. No, I'm just kidding. It takes more practice than just doing that. It will start to sound like very uncomfortable, like you want to stop it immediately, like nails on the chalkboard or something like that. But if you feel uncomfortable with that, then you're doing good. It won't really harm your throat. So if you can, just hold it in as long as you can. Just practice that. Sooner enough, you can get lower and lower in your throat, and it just starts to go downwards, and it feels like that. But I just pointed with my hands. Alright, but I think it would be better if you had the vibration that you feel in inward bass, and try doing what I explained earlier, just yeah, and it kind of sounds like yeah, that could be very useful too. And alright, that's it for today's tutorial. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe too, if you haven't already. Alright, if you have any other sounds that you want me to teach you that you don't know already, let me know in the comments. Or you could email me, link in the description. Alright, bye.